Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair gained 0.6% in the last session. The ROC's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The last session saw the euro drop 0.6% against the dollar. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair dropped 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Aussie dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Asian markets fell and oil prices rallied after the United States warned Russia could attack Ukraine within days as diplomatic efforts to prevent a war appeared to fail, while fears over inflation kept traders on edge. A subsidiary of crypto company BlockFi Inc. has agreed to pay $100 million to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and 32 states to settle charges in connection with a retail crypto lending product. Iraq's oil production capacity has grown from 3 million to around 5 million BPD in recent years, but the departure of oil majors such as ExxonMobil and Shell from a number of projects means future growth is uncertain.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's claimant count change will be released at 0700 GMT. The UK's ILO unemployment rate at 0700 GMT. The Eurozone's ZEW survey economic sentiment at 1000 GMT. Japan's capacity utilization will be released at 0430 GMT. Japan's industrial production at 0430 GMT. The US Red Book Index at 1355 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.